Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If you have ever deleted your Snapchat memories either by mistake or purposefully and now you changed your mind and you want to have them back, you're in the right place. Today in this video I'll show you exactly how to recover your Snapchat memories. So follow up with me till the very end to make no mistakes and let's jump right into it. Of course, first we go ahead and open your Snapchat app, make sure you are logged into your account, and now we want to go to settings. To do that, first open your profile by tapping the Bitmoji in the top left corner right here. And from your profile, go to settings by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen right there, guys. Now from settings, go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom and then scroll up slowly until you find an option or a setting that says I need help. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll be taken to this page, just wait for it to fully load up. And once it does, tap on the text box or the search box at the top right here, and then tap on download my data. It should be one of the options here. So once you go ahead and tap on it, you'll be taken to this screen. Scroll down again from here until you find this sort of a link that says accounts.snapchat.com. Tap on that link to open it. You might be asked to log in right here. If you don't, just carry on with me from here. Now, as you can see, the first option says My Data. That's where we want to go. Go ahead and tap on My Data and wait for the next page to load up again. It's going to take some seconds. And here, keep the export HTML files toggled in or basically selected. And right under it, unselect every single option. Keep only the memories and other media options selected, as you can see, guys. And then tap on next in the bottom right corner to carry on. And this right here is the last step. So before you go ahead and submit a request, first use the date filter, and setting up the date filter depends on how old are those memories that you want to recover. After that, make sure this is the correct email right there because they will contact you there. And once you're done, tap on submit right here. They will take 24 to 48 hours in making your data copy and they will send it to your email. You can download it from there and you can open it and find the old memories that you have deleted right there. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.